Ever since I installed the cargo kit, one of the questions in my mind is, can you still fold it and fit it in a vehicle? I'm going to try to fit it into my Honda Ridgeline here. It fit like a glove last time. I'm hoping it'll still fit. As before, I like to remove the seat first. Now I'm cheating a little bit. I moved the seat forward, but hey, no passenger, so it's fair game. Let's go. Let's do the full Monty. Full Monty, pedals and everything. And now the racks actually help hold it while you fold it. I guess I should put the kickstand up. See, so they do interfere. It doesn't fold as close. You know, you have all these inches here that it could have kept folding. So I actually think it's going to be a challenge. It's going to be a challenge to get it in here like this. Big challenge. Yep. This is not going to work. So put in the truck bed and carry it that way for, yeah, so keep that in mind. These racks do interfere. I noticed is that, again, this light is a weird location and weird mounting. When I folded it with the racks on, somehow I moved it way out of position. So now it's a little bit loose. I'll have to tighten it before I get to my off-road section. I might remove it until I mount this better. I don't like this at all.